Alright, yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play with dog. Dog are very lovely, they are friendly. So in this video I'll be teaching you practically on how to play with dog. Please click on the subscribe button, like and comment, share your mind, share your view. Do you have a dog? Is the dog stubborn? Is the dog not playing? Is the dog not agile? Right, drop the message in the comment section so that we can help you. Do you want to buy a dog? We'll help you get a good and active dog. This is a pure German Shepherd. We are actually playing with the dog to make the dog vibrant, to make it lovely, to make the dog master the owner. So in this video we'll be teaching you how to make your dog, you can see it's very playful. The dog is so active. So please watch this video to the end as we teach you how to play with dog. Alright, click on the comment section, click on the subscribe button, also click on the notification button, because tomorrow we are gonna be teaching you how to massage your dog. Keep watching this video to the last and you will get and learn a lot of things. Thanks. Bingo! Come, bingo.